Hi everyone. On the map below, 51st Street and 52nd Street are parallel. So let's mark those. Good. All right. Charlie walks from point A to point B. And then from point B to point C. You walk directly, so I'll put U starts here from point A to point C. How many more feet did Charlie walk than you? So what we have is we have this length here is 900 feet total. This is 1,200 feet, and we need to know this right here. And if you look at the proportions here, we have, you take away the zeros, you have 9 and 12. Well, that's part of your Pythagorean triples. 3, 4, 5. And if you multiply your Pythagorean triples by 3, you get 9, 12, 15. So this number here is going to be 15, and then add the 2 zeros I took off. So again, remember your Pythagorean triples, you need to know 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. And if you have these memorized, then you can notice that the triples that are occurring just by multiples of them. So we have that, or you can just use the Pythagorean theorem and do the whole thing. You could say 900 feet squared plus 1,200 feet squared, and you'd get the 1,500 feet squared here. All right, so now we have to add up Charlie's. So Charlie's total equals 1,200 plus 900 equals 2,100, and your total equals just 1,500. And so how many more feet did he have to walk? You just subtract, and that's 600 feet. All right, now Park Avenue, so this line is perpendicular to 51st Street, to this, so there. Is Park Avenue perpendicular to 52nd Street? And you're going to write yes. And that's because if a transversal is perpendicular to one parallel line, to one of two parallel lines, then it is perpendicular to the other parallel line. You couldn't say it if these two lines weren't parallel. All right, that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.